Is this the most cost-effective revolution in the automobile sector? The 2025 Dacia Logan is available, functioning not only as a sedan but also as a compelling statement for those pursuing design, technology, and reliability at a reasonable cost. What factors have contributed to Dacia's success in manufacturing a car that seamlessly combines sophisticated features, eco-friendly performance, and an attractive price point? Expect the disclosure of hidden innovations that position this item as a potential game-changer inside its category. What differentiates the new Logan in a crowded market? By the film's conclusion, you will comprehend its potential to disrupt the industry. Stay vigilant. You are going to encounter an occasion filled with unforeseen occurrences. The 2025 Dacia Logan showcases a modern and dynamic appearance that sets it apart from previous iterations. Its distinctive contours and aerodynamic profile instantly capture attention. The revamped LED headlights and enlarged grille project strength and allure, while streamlined side contours and robust alloy wheels accentuate its sporty character. The revamped LED taillights elevate the modern appearance, marking Logan's evolution from basic design to contemporary automotive sophistication. Upon entry, the 2025 Dacia Logan greets you with cutting-edge technology and comfort. The spacious, modern cabin offers an ideal environment for both the driver and passengers. High-quality materials enhance the seats, while a sleek, touch-operated infotainment display adds to the interior's sophistication. Compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto guarantees seamless connectivity. Rear passengers enjoy more legroom, and the spacious trunk capacity makes the Logan a practical choice for families and long trips. Furthermore, a sophisticated sound insulation system ensures a quieter and more pleasurable journey experience. The 2025 Logan provides eco-friendly and fuel-efficient powertrain options, including petrol and hybrid models. The most powerful variant is expected to use a 1.3-liter turbocharged engine generating 140 horsepower. In conjunction with an advanced transmission system, it ensures a more fluid and enjoyable driving experience. The Logan demonstrates reduced fuel use and lower carbon emissions, adhering to impending environmental standards. The official unveiling of the 2025 Dacia Logan is anticipated in the initial half of 2025, followed by its sale in European markets and select other areas shortly thereafter. Given Dacia's strong reputation for reliability and affordability, this vehicle is certain to attract significant interest. The 2025 Logan is anticipated to begin at a price range of €15,000 to €17,000, so preserving its competitive advantage. Notwithstanding the addition of optional accessories and technical packages, it offers exceptional value. The new Logan establishes a standard in its segment with modern aesthetics, spacious interior, advanced technology, and low pricing. This type attains an ideal balance between simplicity and practicality, serving both families and individual drivers, hence sustaining its market dominance.